Hello everyone, my name is Reynald, and I will be doing a demo walkthrough of my application codingBlogs. So this was built with React TypeScript on the client side and Express Node.js on the server side. A little background as to why I created this application. So as a former member of Flatiron School, we had students that produced excellent and informative blogs. These blogs served many purposes, such as contributing knowledge to other students of Flatiron School, as well as the coding community. But the references to these great blogs were limited. They were mostly accessible in the cohort through their Slack channels, and in most cases the references to those blogs would be difficult to find in due time, unless of course a student and or coach kept track of all of them. So I created this platform to address that specific issue. It serves as a hub for coding related blogs that were published on Medium and Dev. Users won't be creating the actual blog on this platform. Instead, they'll be sharing the links to those blogs for references and easy access. Other users can view those blogs and be redirected to the actual Medium or Dev article. So without further ado, let's do a quick walkthrough of this application. Right now we're at the main page that displays all of the blogs that were submitted and approved by admins. Essentially, all the approved blogs are available for the users. And if they wanted to, they can expand the filter just to filter out the specific topics that they're looking for. So if they wanted to look for anything on JavaScript, just click it and it'll automatically filter out, as well as searching by title and cohort. As well, a user can also submit their own blogs. So let's submit an example. This is not my blog, but we're just using it for demo purposes. And let's choose 11, 18, 19 Dumbo. So the way this cohort works out is these cohorts already exist in the database created by admins. So the only cohorts that we can choose are the ones created by admins and available already. And the tags also pre-coded. So for now, we can only choose the ones that are available in the database. We can choose up to 5, but we need to at least choose one. So in this case, since this is related to Django, we'll choose Python. Post a blog. So as you've noticed, the blog has been created, but it's not available to the immediate public. So, to check that if it has been submitted, we can check My Blogs, which only displays the blogs that we have submitted. So in this case, we see the blog that we just added. What we see here are the status of the blog. So in this case, it is pending, meaning it hasn't been approved by an admin yet. If it has been approved, we will see an immediate change that just says approved. But for the most part, this is just to keep track of which blogs are ours and what their status are. And if we wanted to, as long as it is our blog, we can delete it. It'll be deleted from the database. So if we go back to the main page, you'll notice that we do have the delete option for many of these other blogs that do not belong to me. So in this case, another admin, this is not my blog, but I do have the option to delete it only because I'm also an admin. So if this was a regular user, we wouldn't have that option. You will only see the delete blog option on your specific blog. So for now, essentially that's all the features available for the regular user. So since I'm already an admin, let's check out the features that are available for admin users. So in this case, admin view exists only if you are an admin, and we have the list of all available cohorts on the left. To determine which of these cohorts, I guess this is hard to see since I am a cohort of all these cohorts. I am an admin of all these cohorts. So ideally, we will see an icon indicating so. Otherwise, we also have another icon indicating each cohort whether they need a blog approved. In this case, again, all of them need approval. Just to make this easier, let's approve these. See how this will change. So notice now the icon disappears, meaning that this blog no longer needs any blogs approved. And those two blogs, as soon as we approve them on the admin side, they're immediately available on the general public. So if an admin decides to, let's say, add another cohort that doesn't exist here, they can do so. And if we decided to go back and add a new blog, that would be an existing option. So ideally, as an admin, you also have additional privileges over some of the regular users. In this case, as an admin, you can also grant other users admin privileges. In this case, what happens here is we are given a list of all users in the database. There's only another admin. He's also another admin, so if we wanted to, we also have the privilege of revoking his admin rights. And we can also make him an admin again. So the only purpose of this is we're granting them the admin privilege, but it doesn't do. So that opens up the opportunity for them to be added as an admin to a specific cohort. So if we go back to admin view, now that another admin is still an admin, we could, for the specific cohort 082619 Dumbo, we can add that other user as an admin if we wanted to. So now another admin technically has the right to approve blogs for that specific cohort now, as well as removing and adding other users' admin privileges. Yeah, so essentially that is the main functionality of coding blogs. Thank you for watching.